dedicate this store to God.
Yes.
I open in the name of the Father.
Yes.
And of the Son.
Yes.
And of the Holy Spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the
All my country people, congratulations to this beautiful diva, Ivy. As she don finally launch this her store, Ivy Max, where she sell different types of clothing. All thanks to Rude Boy for establishing her. Esther was black and broke, but when Esther meets George, establish. All thanks to Rude Boy. E no dey easy for someone to support his babe. But as an amebo girl wey I be, I wan ask this question: wetin man abi men really want for this life? Why be say whenever relationship or marriage no work, man go dey do everything wey e no do for the wife, e go dey do am for either the side chick or the new babe wey he get? Wetin dey really wan prove? Do they want to prove to the world say no be their fault say the marriage no work, na the fault of the woman wey leave the marriage? They want to portion the whole blame to the woman wey leave. Cause this public display of affections, pepper body, I don't understand. Don't get me wrong, I'm very happy for Ivy, cause as man relationship no work, no mean say he no go try another one. You understand? I'm talking about some men now. In their marriages, the wife, if you see the wife, if they give side chick or new babe, side chick or new babe, if they're giving the side chick or new babe, let's say 1 million naira monthly, during their marriages, they hardly give the woman 100k for maintenance. Why? You go see a girl go dey enjoy during courtship, relationship, baby girl's treatment. Make the girl just try in luck, enter the marriage, want to check something. If it will be the same energy, why men dey treat new babe right, but once they are married, it's another story? Why? I'm not generalizing it. I'm saying some men. See the way Paul Okoye is just supporting his babe. But during the time of Anita, I don't think she benefited all these things like this full support. Allegedly, I know they the marriage. I'm just saying based on the observation and what they put out there during the time when they had issues before they separated. Anita put out a lot of documents, a lot of things for the social media to see that Rude Boy was not a good husband. So I'm saying based on the speculations then, cause the way he's treating Ivy, you go dey do it for body. Beautiful couples, make them marry already. You understand? Make them marry already. Anyway, I wish them luck, cause like I said earlier, because say wife A no work, no me say wife B no go work. Sometimes life happens. Nobody prays for misfortune and all that, but when life happens and your marriage didn't work, it doesn't automatically mean you are a bad person. Maybe if you try another marriage, it will work. So I wish both of them well. I'm so happy for Ivy, because indeed she's receiving that baby girl's treatment. Hello. And Anita, in the other hand, that's Rude Boy ex-wife, is a good woman, because no be all woman go accept all this cordial relationship and co-parenting with an easy hand. You understand? Sometimes when they meet in the US, because Anita is in the US with the children, when Rude Boy meets her there, if you see the videos they do, you'll be like, is this two still together? Like they have that, understanding between them. No drama, no nothing. She didn't deprive him of his children. They are just there, very happy. You understand? And that makes her a good woman, because no be all woman go allow their divorced husband to have that such cordial relationship with their children. I really like them for that. No internet drama. They are still good friends. Because I don't see reasons why the person you used to love will become your enemy because it didn't work out for both of you. No. Sometimes life happens, and when it does, you need to accept it the way it is. I really like them, you know, how they organize their friends. It's called maturity. They have that maturity in them, and I'm so happy for both of them.
Finish that room with the lyrics. Are you ready? We say to give it. You say love, no delight.
So Rude Boy organized a mini concert. Yes, I call it a mini concert because he was singing and even made the audience, you know, to sing one of his songs, and if you get it right, he will dash you 50k, 100k. He really wanted this party to be fun, you know, fun filled. That is man supporting his babe for you. Hello. It's good though, but man, this message na for now. Treat your wife right. Leave side chick, leave new babe. Treat your wife right. Ivy babe, I'm happy for you. This your store will prosper. You make a lot of sales. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more bringing news with the tutorial. But they do and for here. It's your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Stay safe out there.